Hello everyone. I got a lot of requests of how to split a file quickly and by a column value. Reason being, a lot of times we'll export data or create some data set and now everybody wants that data split in separate files, look at them separately. So here's a quick tool I made. So it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is sort by that column that you want to create the additional files for. And then put your path in here, column name, hit ready. Now let's go, give this a try here. Let's take a look here. Alright, so we got some data here. We'll get rid of this. Alright, so it's completely empty. File split, file split. Alright, let's go ahead and hit ready. Watch what happens here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Pretty simple. It just goes down the rows and says, hey, is this value in this column the same as above? If so, hey, we're going to include that. And then generates a new file, pastes it in there, saves it, closes it. Alright, all done. Alright, second try. Oh, another request came in from the manager. He says we want it sorted by name. So let's do that. Let's sort it by name. Hit OK. Alright, hit Control T to call my tool. Alright, files, where we want to drop it. Let's see here. Here we are. This is the file path for here. Alright, let's paste it in there. Want it in column A. That's where it's got our unique values. We're going to go by name. Alright, yes, we sort it by that column. Let's go look here. Okay, we got 4 files in there right now. Let's see how this works. Hit ready. Here we go. There's one by Blake, Brianna. Pretty nice tool here. Alright, that's it. Very nice tool. Go ahead and shoot me an email if you want this tool. Here's my personal email. I'll go ahead and shoot it back to you. To execute this macro, just a Control T. If you want help customizing it, well, that's one of the things that I do. So I'll be happy to help you with that. Thank you. Enjoy your day.